Welcome to our channel, where we strive to bring you insightful content on various topics affecting modern society. Today, we venture into a subject that is surrounded by stigma and secrecy: sex addiction in women. Let's uncover the truth behind this often misunderstood issue and gain a deeper understanding of the challenges women may face in relation to their sexual behavior. Segment 1. What is sex addiction? Before we delve into the signs of sex addiction in women, let's establish what sex addiction is. Sex addiction, also known as hypersexuality or compulsive sexual behavior, is a condition where an individual engages in excessive and repetitive sexual activities, leading to negative consequences in their personal and social life. Segment 2. Breaking the stereotype. Sex addiction is not a gender-specific issue. Contrary to popular belief, it affects both men and women. However, the topic of women struggling with sex addiction is often shrouded in silence and misunderstanding. Today, we challenge this stigma and acknowledge that women, like men, can also experience sex addiction. Segment 3. Signs of sex addiction in women. Identifying sex addiction in women can be challenging, as it may manifest differently compared to men. Some common signs include a persistent preoccupation with sexual thoughts, engaging in risky sexual behaviors, and using sex as a coping mechanism to escape from emotional pain. Segment 4. Root causes of female sex addiction. To truly comprehend sex addiction in women, we must explore its underlying causes. Past trauma, unresolved emotional issues, and even societal pressures can contribute to the development of sex addiction. Understanding these factors is crucial in providing effective support and treatment. Segment 5. The impact on mental health. Sex addiction can have a profound impact on a woman's mental health, leading to feelings of shame, guilt, and a diminished sense of self-worth. It can also strain relationships and result in social isolation. Seeking professional help and support is essential to address these challenges. Segment 6. Overcoming sex addiction. Recovery from sex addiction is possible. Through therapy, support groups, and adopting healthy coping mechanisms, women can regain control over their lives and build meaningful, fulfilling relationships. As we conclude this enlightening journey into understanding sex addiction in women, remember that seeking help is not a sign of weakness but a brave step towards healing and growth. If you or someone you know is struggling with sex addiction, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We hope this video has shed light on this crucial topic and encourages open conversations about women's mental health and sexuality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that tackle important issues affecting society. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.